Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about classless addressing and subnetting. Let's discuss about why do we need these concepts like classless addressing, subnetting, and further on like VLSM like that. So problems with classful addressing is that in classful addressing, we have only fixed network sizes. That is class A, B, C. So totally we have 5 classes, class A, B, C, D, and E. So D is for multicasting and D is for research purpose. So mostly we will be using class A, B, and C. So in classful addressing, huge amount of IPs will be wasted and also not flexible for the modern networks. So the solution we come up with classless addressing, which is a CIDR, then subnetting VLSM. So these allows efficient IP utilization, then better network management and scalability. So what is classless addressing CIDR? So definition is that CIDR means classless inter-domain routing. It removes fixed classes and allows flexible network sizes. So classless addressing is possible with the help of subnettings. Instead of, for example, 192.168.1.0. Okay, this IP belongs to class C, we know. So how we use this? 192.168.1.0/24. The /24 means 24 bits for network. Okay. So remaining bits for host. Okay. That represents this slash. And let's see CIDR notation. Okay. The format for this is IP address slash prefix length. It can be called as CIDR or prefix length like that. So for an example, 10.0.0.0/8. So it is understood that this, like by seeing it is understood that this IP address belongs to class A. Okay. And also /8 means /8 means only that is this belongs to class A. So prefix we have /8 means that is 250. Subnet mask default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. So this 255 is allocated for network. Okay. So the remaining will be allocated for the host. Likewise, /16 means 255.255. These two parts will be allocated for network and remaining two for host. /24 means 255.255.255.0. So 3 for network and 0 for host. Likewise for /30. So for an example, 192.168.10.0/26 means network bits is equal to 26 here. So host bits equal to 6. So how to find the number of host, total number of host, total number of address minus 2. Okay, so that is here host bit is 6. So 2 power 6 minus 2, which is equal to 62 host. Let's discuss about what is subnetting. Subnetting means dividing a large network into smaller networks. That is called subnetting. Why subnet? It reduces broadcast traffic, improves security, efficient IP usage, and easier management. So now let's discuss about the calculation steps for subnetting. Okay. So totally there are 5 steps. First one is we need to identify IP class and default subnet mask. So find the class of the given IP address. Example like class A, B or C. Then write the default subnet mask for that class. Step 2 is convert that subnet mask into binary. Okay, default subnet mask into binary format so that we can easily understand the network bits and host bits clearly. Step 3 is find the host, that is number of hosts required per subnet, then subnet generator and octet position. Okay, then calculate the subnet generator value. Then step 4 is generate the new subnet mask. Okay, then final step is generate the network ranges. So generate the network address range in the correct octet. Now let's discuss like how to solve this subnetting problem. Okay. So subnet the IP address. For example, it is given 216.21.5.0. Okay, this is the given IP address. So we need to subnet this IP address into how many hosts? Is 30 hosts. Okay, 30 hosts in each subnet. We have to subnet the given IP address. Okay, so this is a question. So how to solve? So what is the first step? First step is we need to identify the given IP address, which class it belongs to. So this 216.21.5.0 belongs to the class C. Okay, class C. Okay. Belongs to class C. Okay. Now, the class C default subnet mask for class C is default subnet mask for class C is 255.255.255.0. So this is the default subnet mask for class C. Now we need to convert this format into binary format. So next step is 255 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the binary format for the given default subnet mask. Now third step is number of hosts required per subnet. Okay, number of hosts required per subnet is 30. Okay, so we need to find the binary value for this 30. So what is the value? 111410. So this is nothing but the binary value for this 30. Okay, binary value. So how many bits are there? Totally 5 bits. So now we are going to reserve 5 bits in the default subnet mask from the right hand side. Okay. So we are going to reserve zeros. We are going to reserve so that we are going to find the new subnet mask from that. Okay. So now let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here the last 5 bits we need to reserve. So last 5 bits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this we need to reserve. So 3 bits we can change to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now this is going to be our new subnet mask. Okay. Before that, we need to find subnet generator. So how to find the subnet generator? So after the 0, okay, the first one which we are encountering, first one, okay, that the position of that 2 power 0, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, this is 2 power 5. The position is 2 power 5, that is subnet generator is 32. Okay, subnet generator is 32. Okay, now we need to find the octet position. So octet position where this you have encountered this subnet generator, that octet position. This is actually this is one octet position. Okay. So this is one octet position, second octet position, third octet position, and this is fourth octet position. Okay. So totally 4 octets are available for the IPv4 address. Okay. So in which octet position this where we have found the subnet generator, that octet position we need to note it down because in that octet position alone only we are going to generate the subnet range. Okay. So this is actually 4. So octet position is 4. Octet position is 4. Okay. Now we are going to find the new subnet mask. So new subnet mask. So our fourth step is new. So what is the new subnet mask? So whatever the value we have got. So the value for this is 255. 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot the value 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Value is when you add 224. Okay. If you write in the CIDR means slash number of ones. Okay. 8, 16, 24, 25, 26, 27. If you write in this format, we can write in slash notation means slash 27 we can write. Okay. So this is our new subnet mask. Now we are going to write the subnet generator, subnet range. Fifth step is network range. So network ranges. So our IP address is 216.21.5.0. Okay. So we need to start the ranges with the respective octet position. Actually, our octet position is 4. So we need to change in the 4th position only. Okay. So our subnet generator is 32. So we need to subnet the given network 32, 32 from 0 to 32, 0 to 31, 32 to 63, like that. So this is the first one. So 0 to 32. Next subnet is 216.21.5.32 because our subnet generator is 32. Again, the next subnet is 216.21.5.64. Next 32. Okay. Likewise 216.21.5.96. So it will be going on. So this is actually our first subnet. This is second subnet, third, and this one is fourth subnet. Okay. So this is the first address. So the ranges will be 216.21.5. The before address, that is 31, and here 216.21.5. The before address is of 64 is 63. So likewise 216.21.5.95. Likewise the next address 216.21.5.127. That is the next subnet is 128. The before address is 127. So this is actually one subnet. Okay. So this is the first subnet, second subnet, third subnet, fourth subnet. It will be going on. Okay. So in the first subnet, this is the first network address. So in the first subnet, first network address is 216.21.5.0. Then last address is broadcast address. Okay, broadcast address is 216.21.5.31. Likewise, for each subnets we can write. And the usable IP will be usable IP. How can we write? Usable IP starts from 216.21.5.1. Okay, so 216.21.5.1 to likewise it will be going on. Okay, so now we have divided the given subnet, the given IP address. So this is the given IP address. So we have divided this big large network into different subnets, different subnets, different subnet range. Okay, and the subnet mask, this is a new subnet mask which we have found. So with this new subnet mask, in the particular range it can be communicated. Otherwise, when you use when we suppose you are using default subnet mask, means the in the whole network we can communicate. Okay, so this is how we can subnet the given IP address into required number of hosts. Thank you.